Hey, how's it going in this video? I'm going to be talking about computer aided manufacturing, CAM. Computer aided manufacturing, CAM, refers to the use of computer software and automation to control and manage manufacturing processes. CAM systems are utilized to plan, manage, and optimize production of components and products in various industries, including aerospace, automotive, electronics, and more. Key components and features of CAM systems include computerized planning and simulation. CAM software helps in the planning and simulation of manufacturing processes, allowing for visualization and optimization of production steps. Toolpath generation. CAM systems generate precise toolpath for machining operations such as milling, turning, drilling, and cutting. These toolpaths guide a machine in producing desired shapes and dimensions. Material removal strategies. CAM software assists in choosing the most efficient strategies for removing materials from raw workpiece, workspace, optimizing the manufacturing process for speed, accuracy, and cost effectiveness. There are some products that was recently completed within the space for removing of tools and how that can be completed with software. Uh, they've been delivered within a certain part of the world. It's exciting the part of outsourcing of mundane, not that necessary parts of overall production steps to machinery. So it's not necessarily that you would be, as a business owner, required to hire someone who constantly would do that, but it could be outsourced to machines where engineering staff or overseeing staff of operations can only supervise machines of performing certain tasks. So if there's an errors within the system, they could then step in and making sure that all the steps are being performed up to the standard. Integration with CAD CAM is often integrated with computer aided design software, ensuring that seamless transition from design phase to manufacturing phase by using the same digital model. Some of these softwares are very expensive. I wish some of the softwares would be cheaper. But other than that, I'm really excited about new opportunities out there with overall manufacturing. Numerical control and C programming. CAM generates the necessary ANSI code that control the CNC computer numerical control machines, providing precise instructions for mechanic operations. Tool and machine management. CAM systems assist in managing tool libraries, specifying tool speeds, feeds, and other parameters based on material being used and the type of machining in operation. Quality control and inspection. CAM may include features for quality control, measurements, and inspection to ensure the final product meets specified standards and tolerance. Computer aided manufacturing CAM is important for several reasons, and its significance continues to grow and technology keeps advancing. Let's take a look at some of the important parts of future of manufacturing. For those of you who haven't been on other side of things where you would find yourself in situations where you're leading a team of staff which is part of operational staff, and usually then working with the people where they would need to go on breaks. There's some issues, someone is not feeling well, as well as those people, perhaps worth mentioning for people who don't know. So some person is not feeling well, some person just had a holiday, he's not really in tune to what he's supposed to be doing, as well as someone would cut themselves if they would need to perform with a knife. A million things can happen, right? That person not necessarily would turn up for work, and you have to supervise that person. Someone needs to train that person. That person needs to go to the toilet. That person can perform 24 hours out of every 7 days. So it's a mess. Basically, currently it's a mess. I don't know. All the people think like that. All the people who are only think what they are actually looking for to end product. Only thing somewhere in the middle. For some reason, you need to hire a bunch of people. The people need to so a bunch of problems. That people need to go on holidays, and those people not getting paid enough. Or million problems, right? So overall, when we talk about manufacturing, I'm currently looking at different systems within manufacturing industry. What can be outsourced to machinery, and when we think about the machinery, perhaps we can think about trained staff who can oversee machinery. So not necessarily do manual tasks, but perhaps oversee machines within industry, and machines can perform those tasks, and people, skilled engineers, can assist machines, making sure that those machines working properly. So basically, I guess that's a target for tomorrow's industry. Well, some of the industries already doing that, but let's just set set the tone for this video. Efficiency and productivity. CAM systems enable manufacturers to automate and optimize their production processes. This leads to increased efficiency, reduced waste, and higher productivity, which are essential for remaining competitive in today's fast-paced global markets. Precision and consistency. CAM software ensures precise control over machine operations. This results in consistency and accuracy of production, which is crucial for industrials like aerospace, medical devices, and automotive. Not necessarily limited to those, but that's a good place to start, where even minor error can have significant consequences, especially if one of those machines are slightly off and it's haven't been picked up on the production line. That can cause potential money. Complexity in handling. CAM allows manufacturers to produce high complex parts and components that will be extremely challenging to or impossible to create manually. This capability is crucial for industries that demand intricate and precise designs. The cost reduction. It just some of these systems and perhaps implementations potentially can have a large cost, but once perhaps there would be more attention into this kind of space, there would more attention, there perhaps a reduction costs of implementing some of those software solutions. That can be an option. Cost reduction by optimizing tool path, material usage, and machine time. CAM can lead to cost savings in manufacturing. It helps manufacturers reduce material waste, energy consumption, and labor costs. Flexibility and customization. CAM systems can be adapted to various manufacturing processes and industries. They provide flexibility to change production methods and adapt to custom orders quickly, supporting mass production as well as small batch and custom manufacturing. Competitive advantages. Companies that embrace CAM technologies can gain competitive advantages by delivering high quality products more efficiently and cost effectively. This can help them attract customers and expand their market share. Integration with Industry 4.0. CAM is an integral part of the Industry 4.0 paradigm, which focuses on integration of digital technologies, data, and automation throughout the manufacturing processes. CAM plays a crucial role in advancing the goals of Industry 4.0, such as smart manufacturing, data analytics, and real-time monitoring. Environmental sustainability. CAM can contribute to environmental sustainability by minimizing material waste, optimizing energy consumption and reducing carbon footprint of manufacturing processes. Skilled workforce. While CAM automates many tasks, it also creates opportunities for skilled workforce who can operate and maintain CAM systems, write and see code, and troubleshoot issues, ensuring the demand for a skilled workforce in manufacturing. So many companies would not necessarily can adapt the system. So that's for my personal experience, just because they would not necessarily have skilled work people who can operate those. So, or if there are skilled operators, there's just not enough of them. And if it's not enough of them, so it's high demand but not enough supply. So those skilled people who can actually operate those machines, they can charge so much money for their time. So it's just one thing to take on board, right? Future proofing. As technology evolves, CAM systems continue to incorporate new features and capabilities. Staying up to date with the CAM technologies is a way to for manufacturers to future-proof their operations and remain adaptable to changing market demands. For those of you who would like to learn more, I would highly recommend to purchase this book. The name of the book is Game Strategy. I have published this book with thought in mind how I can improve, help, and support future businesses. Bringing perhaps the release, bringing all the businesses or future leaders up to speed, what industry is right now, as well as where future of businesses is gonna be within 5 or next 10 years, and what I believe everyone should know about, especially venturing in and starting their own businesses if you haven't started already. Perhaps if you have started a business, perhaps, and you have some extra capital, perhaps you yourself and making decision of where you would like to invest your money, park your money. There are different opportunities outlined in this book. You can find this book in the description below, as well as top retailers. In conclusion, CAM is crucial for manufacturing industries today, and it will remain essential for future as technology continues to advance. Embracing CAM technologies can help manufacturers stay competitive, meet demand of increasing complex designs, and contribute to overall economic growth and innovation. Even if AI would be potentially making different engines just with the software, why wouldn't software be better at designing those engines compared to all the data points given to AI, and how the AI would design that engine compared to people doing it based on time required and all those intricate. Just something to think about, I guess. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.